Hey guys, it's Shea here, and today I am going to share with you another hair video. Yes. Because I bought new products that I really was excited to try. So I went to go ahead and use them and not wait a really long time or have them just sitting in my corner for weeks at a time. I wanted to go ahead and use them now. Before we get started, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you'll be notified of all my stuff. And the notification bell so you'll be notified of all the random videos I do. So, yeah. Let's go. So, I decided to go ahead and do this today. I started doing my hair at like 10 o'clock this morning and I just got finished. It's like 5 o'clock now. So, let's do this. And what I am talking about is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt line. It's a new line they came out with, and I got all this stuff from Ulta, so I'm pretty excited I got all this stuff. This is like the first time I bought pretty much everything from one line. I think, yeah, this is pretty much the first time I bought everything from one line. I got everything except the shampoo. I do not use shampoo in my hair. It doesn't matter what kind of shampoo it is. If it's specifically for 4C coarse hair, it still doesn't work in my hair. It just strips it, makes it super dry and brittle. So I just don't use shampoo at all. I do cleanse my hair. I wash it. Well, I do either use an ACV rinse or I just like scrub my scalp with water and my hair is fine and my scalp is clean and fine. So yeah, I got everything except the shampoo. So let's get started. So the first thing I used today was the Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Conditioner. And that is this. Ew. Also, I got all this stuff from Ulta and everything was buy one get one 40% off this time around. So yeah, that's why I got what I got. Has a lot of good stuff in it as usual. It's Shea Moisture. And this is supposed to hydrate and restore extremely dry, brittle hair. I do have very dry hair normally. Yeah, it's just naturally pretty dry and fragile and brittle. So yeah, I'm always looking for something to help with that. Uh-oh. I have a damaged product. I didn't notice that before. My conditioner's damaged. It has a hole in it. That's nice. So yeah. Anyway, I started with this conditioner. This is what I did. I wet my hair and then I came back. I added some conditioner on top of my twist because I keep my hair sectioned while I wash it so that it doesn't get super tangled and knotted, because that will happen if I just let it all out and just wash it like anyone else would. So I don't do that. I keep my hair in twists while I wash it to keep it separated and easier to manage. So I came back, I sat down in front of the camera, and I started applying the conditioner to each twist, unseparating each twist, and adding the conditioner and detangling as I was doing that. And that helped a lot. Like, it cut down on the detangling process a whole lot, cut down on the shedding process a whole lot. There were very few knots and tangles, so that was great. That really helped. And I just had my water bottle next to me if I needed to rehydrate my hair because it started to dry as the further along I went, because I had the windows open and the air was blowing in and stuff and drying my hair. So yeah, I just kept rehydrating it to make it easier to detangle. So the knots were really just slipping out. And this stuff is really good. It smells really good. It has a light perfumey floral scent. It's not very strong at all. And it's very thick, which I love. I love thick conditioners because they're best for my hair. Yeah, because my hair is very coarse and very dry, like I said, so it needs a thick conditioner. So I'm really glad I did my hair the way I did too, with the sections, because I felt like that way the conditioner got to every part of my hair, not just by me like putting a quarter size in my hand and rubbing it through my hair. Like, no, I did like a quarter size per section and went through each twist and detangled and everything. And I don't know if you care or not, but this is the shed hair that I got from today, which isn't much at all, honestly. And most of it isn't even mine. It's my daughter's mixed in with mine. Because for some reason her hair keeps getting mixed in my hair, which causes tingles in my hair too, because I don't know why her hair keeps getting in my hair. Like, I don't use her brushes or anything like that, so I don't understand. But that's what happens. So yeah, this was good. This was nice. And then after that, I detangled it. I twisted it all up back into twists as I was going along. And then I went ahead and rinsed it out. And then I went in with this. And this is the Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment, which was incredible. Like, you could tell by my face on the video, it was incredible, because I was not expecting it to just like make my hair feel so soft. Like, my hair felt really soft when I was putting this in, and it was so nice. It felt really good. Like, I didn't want to wash it out. It was so awesome. This is to strengthen and protect extremely dry, brittle hair, which is something, oh, I forgot to tell you, this is 10.3 fluid ounces, so you get a lot in here. And I really didn't use a whole lot of it. Like, it's up to here at this point. Like, that's where it's at. And like I said, I went through my entire head and I put a lot of this stuff on. Like, I used a quarter size for pretty much every twist. So yeah, I use a lot of this stuff. And it's not even, a lot of it's not even gone. It's like right there. So yeah. Okay, so this is a Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment, and this is to strengthen and protect extremely dry, brittle hair, which is something I have. I suffer with dryness like no other. It's a constant battle. If it's not dry, it's like overly moisturized and doesn't want to hold a style. So I'm trying to find that happy medium. But anyway, this is good. This is 8 ounces. And all this stuff is sulfate free and color safe, so you have no worries. And again, this has a lighter smell than the conditioner. It's very faint. It's not bad at all. It's very faint. But this stuff was so awesome. Like, it felt like butter in my hair. It was amazing. Oh my goodness. It was incredible. It felt so good. And I really wasn't expecting it, because usually when I use a protein treatment or a leave-in conditioner, well, not a leave-in conditioner, a deep conditioner or something, or a hair mask, it's not that softening. Like, it feels like my hair, it kind of dries it out a little bit, kind of. I guess the protein in it, I don't know, usually it's not as soft as this stuff. And I wasn't expecting a lot. I was just like, oh, just another protein treatment, nothing special. But it caught me off guard, and it was awesome. So soft. My hair was incredibly soft with this stuff in it. And after I washed it out, it was incredibly soft. So anyway, after I washed that out, I left this in for a little over 30 minutes. And it recommends that you leave it in for 10 to 15 minutes. But I left it in for a little over 30. And I did the like deep conditioning sort of thing, where I put the bag over my head, and then I did a cap over that, and then like another cap over that, just kind of like trap all that in. So after I washed that out, I went in with the Hydrate and Repair Multi-Action Leave-In. And this is to restore, prep, and protect extremely dry, brittle hair. So I use this. And it says this leave-in treatment does it all. It absorbs quickly to hydrate, recondition, strengthen, and smooth abused hair, while it preps for easy styling. It helps repair brittle, heat-styled hair by reducing breakage up to 87%. Certified organic shea butter, Manuka honey, and yogurt blend together in a lightweight treatment that fortifies with strand-supporting proteins while fighting frizz. Ideal for hair that is prone to breaking, snapping, or splitting. So, cool. Okay. So I sprayed this on my hair, and it's nice. I thought it would be thicker than what it is, because it looks pretty thick. But yeah, It's another spray leave-in conditioner, and this is 8 fluid ounces. It's nice. It's nice. It looks like milk. It's nice. I mean, it's like spray leave-ins don't do much for me. I mean, I can't spray leave-in conditioners in my hair and then just go. I have to do like an overnight thing where I spray it, twist my hair, and let it dry overnight, and just kind of hope that it's dry in the morning. They don't do a whole lot for me. This was nice though. It was better than most spray leave-in conditioners I have. It really was. I'm not sure if it was because of the things I used before it, but it was really nice. Like, my hair was soft. There was no like snapping or breaking or anything like that, which sometimes I notice with spray conditioners. They don't really don't condition my hair, but this actually did something to it. It did something. It did something. Like, it was soft. And I guess it went well with all the other stuff I used before it, because it did something. So yeah, it was good. It wasn't bad. But I do feel like I am going to have to condition my hair tonight with one of my thicker leave-ins, because my hair is soft right now. It's not as soft as it could be. It's not as soft as it was right after I used the protein treatment, but it's soft. So yeah, but I am definitely gonna have to use one of my other leave-in conditioners tonight before I go to bed and just retwist my hair up. And I also went in conjunction with the spray leave-in conditioner, the Hydrate and Repair Split-In Balm, and this is 2.5 ounces. And you apply this to damp or dry hair, focus on ends, style as usual. So I used this with this, and the idea was that I was going to do a by usual twist out. However, I didn't want to be working on this video for 2 days, and it would have taken 2+ days for my hair to dry. So I went ahead and just blow dried my hair, because I wanted to do this now while I have all the thoughts in my head of what I wanted to say and how everything went. And yeah, this took up like my entire day. Like I said, 10 to 5. So yeah, and this, I was most excited about this because I've never used anything like this. I don't have anything like this. I have seen some products like this, like the split-in balms or sealers or whatever, but I've never really been interested in them. But after reading some of the reviews, I wanted to try this. So I actually went ahead, I had everything in my cart, and then all of a sudden this sold out. So I had to go to the store and buy this. So everything else came in the mail, and I had to go to the store and get this one because it was sold out online. And I think it's still sold out. I saw a lot of reviews saying how they were complaining because it was sticky. It's a little sticky. It's not bad at all, honestly. It's really not. They were saying it was like sticky like honey. It's not as sticky as honey. It's a little sticky, but it's not as sticky as honey. It's very thick. I'm not sure how it will work on someone whose hair is thinner, but in my hair it was great. That's what I can say. In my hair it was great. I liked it in my hair. And my hair is already reverting back, so yeah. I can say this though, like, I did separate my hair, but see how it wants to clump together? That's after I separated it already. I think it's because of the balm. It makes them want to just clump back together. Which isn't really a bad thing. I mean, if I took a comb to it or something, it should separate okay. Or even overnight, I'm sure the hold will wear off. I do want to try this in just a regular twist out. But like I say, I just didn't have time today. I didn't have time to wait 2 days because I actually have to go to work tomorrow, so I don't have time to, you know. But yeah, I like this. This was my favorite. This was the thing that I look forward to the most, and I'm glad I got it. I'm glad I found it. But yeah, I'm so glad I tried this. I'm not sure if it actually mends split ends or not. I don't really know. Can't really check and see it. I guess it would mend split ends if it's making all my hair stick together like this. But yeah, I usually just cut my split ends out anyway, so I didn't really buy it for that. Because if I see a split end, I'm cutting it out. I'm not gonna try to repair it. And this is supposed to reduce the appearance of split ends and reduce breakage from heat styling up to 89% for a fresh cut look. Certified organic, frizz free, silky smooth finish, keeps your hair looking flawless and healthy. And you blend in a humidity blocking balm. Okay, cool. So that's good because I did blow dry my hair using this, or after using this, but I only blow dry my hair on medium heat, so it wasn't like super intense or anything. But that is everything. And yeah, I'm really glad I bought all this stuff. I'm super excited because I really wasn't expecting much. I just thought, oh, it's another line that Shea Moisture came out with. They have like 30. But no, this is really, really good. And I am super surprised and excited for it. Like, I know they're coming out with another line in May that I was really interested in. And then all of a sudden this showed up. And it kind of surprised me. I was like, oh, that looks interesting. And I really wasn't thinking about trying it, but then I saw this, the little balm, and that actually made me want to try it because the first thing that came to my mind was, oh, I can do twist outs with that. So yeah, I am glad I bought all this stuff. It worked really, really well. My hair is extremely soft right now. Like I said, I am going to end up re-moisturizing it just because when I blow dried it, of course, I took away some of the moisture from it. But it is still very, very soft, so I may not even have to. It's extremely soft. I may just twist it up tonight. I mean, I prefer my hair to be in its natural state. But I just blow dried it for the sake of doing this video. So yeah, I'm gonna twist it up or something. I'm probably gonna spray more of this leave-in in it and just twist it up because I prefer to have my natural texture back. Even though it's already verting back, but still. I don't know, I don't like my hair like this. It looks super serious. Like I'm about to go to court or something. And I just want my curly afro going on again. So yeah. But anyway, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And I shall see you next time. Bye.